Hi there, Matt here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of a Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4 Roadster. This car has full service history with it and is in absolutely immaculate condition. The car is finished in Grigio Lynx. You can see you've got the optional Dione alloy wheels finished in gloss black with the optional colour brake caliper kit to get you the calipers in orange. You've got the transparent engine bonnet, another optional feature for the car, as well as the central aesthetic grille set, which gets you the exhaust trim surrounded in gloss black with the rear view camera as well as the other optional feature. You've also got the carbon fibre exterior package that gets you the front splitter, front vents here, the trim on top of the bonnet, the side radiator vent surrounds here in carbon fibre, the rear bumper cooling vent surrounds here in carbon fibre, as well as the rear diffuser and the trim just here for the engine cooling. Moving to the inside of the car now, you can see the full Alcantara and leather interior with the contrast stitching in orange and the carbon fibre trim finishes. You can see you've got the leather wrapped multi-function steering wheel here. You've got the Alcantara seats here with the orange contrast stitch, a optional feature for the car. You do have the carbon fibre kick plate as well, which is part of the interior carbon fibre package. You can see that also gets you the centre console surrounds in carbon fibre, the gauge cluster surrounds in carbon fibre, the door handles in carbon fibre, and you've got the SENSONUM sound system you can see here, another added optional feature for the car. This car does also come with the front axle lifting system as well as the heated seat options as some more added optional features. If you'd like any more information on this Aventador LP700-4 Roadster, please don't hesitate to contact one of our sales team through the number at the end or inquire through our website.